Find a comfortable position wherever you are right now. You might like to sit upright with your feet resting gently on the floor, or lie down if that feels better for your body. There is no right way, only what allows you to feel at ease. Allow your eyes to soften and close whenever you are ready. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears. Notice the weight of your body being held by the surface beneath you. You are safe here. You can let go. Imagine you are a mountain. Not climbing one, but you are one. Your base is broad and rooted deep in the earth. Your peak reaches towards the sky. You have stood here for millions of years. Storms have come. Snow has fallen. Seasons have passed. And yet, still you stand, solid, unmoved. Nothing can topple you. You are grounded in your own presence. Weather passes over you. Clouds drift by. Rain comes and goes. Sometimes the sun beats down. Sometimes the wind howls. You might notice these things the way a mountain notices. They do not change you. You remain. Your core is steady. Your presence is constant. This is not rigidity. This is stability. This is trust in your own ground. The mountain has survived every storm, and so have you. Sit with your spine tall. Feel the weight of your body in your seat, your hips, your thighs, your feet. Imagine roots growing down from your base, through the floor, into the earth, deep into the ground. You are anchored. You cannot be toppled by a passing thought, a momentary worry. You can just observe. You can allow, and like the mountain, you can remain. Thoughts and feelings are like weather. They arise, they move through, they pass. You are the mountain. You do not need to chase them or push them away. You simply watch. Clouds do not define the mountain. The mountain defines itself by its presence, by its stillness, by its willingness to be here as it is. You have that same capacity to be unmoved by the passing storms, to remain. When you feel ready, you might like to take a deep breath. Feel your mountain body, your steady spine, your rooted base. You can carry this with you into the rest of your day. In moments of turbulence, you can remember, I am the mountain. I am still. I am here. This inner stability is always available. You have only to return to it. Take your time coming back. There is no rush. Your practice is complete. As we gently return from this practice, take a moment to notice how you feel right now compared to when you first pressed play. That's what's possible when you give your nervous system even 2 minutes of intentional rest. Imagine what 3 days could do. If you're ready to go deeper, you are invited to the free 3-day Summer Reset Challenge. In 3 days, find focus, resilience, and alignment. You'll wonder why you waited when you just felt it yourself. The link is in the description. It's free, and it won't be available forever. The only thing you risk by not joining is staying exactly where you were before you press play today.